Why not enjoy an outing with us at the Checkers Blueberry Square? We'll take you through some of the different aisles. You can see what's on sale and what is your favorite. Do feel free to leave a comment and not forgetting to hit that bell notification for more content like this, and of course the subscribe button. Let's go. Entering the Checkers. Chap filling up the shelves after a busy day. It's around about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's just before the rush, so they're stocking up. So juice, lettuce, watermelons, bananas, tomatoes, onions, bananas, some avos. Taking you over to the food center. All this homemade cooking ready to be eaten. Cold meats, some more juices, some quiches, some chicken pie, some steak pie. And now we're going to head over to the variety of cheeses available. Too many to be named. The list is endless, as you can see. I'm going to pick myself some Parmesan cheese from the bunch here for tonight's dinner. Going to have some pasta. Goes well with that. Maybe some of this cheese is your favorite. Hey, do feel free to leave a comment below if you eat this yourself. Or do you get it in the country where you are? I know there's a lot of local brands here, but I'm sure. Okay, here we are in the wine route. Come check it out with us. Such a variety. You can also leave some comments below. They say a lot about the South African alcohol. Maybe you get this in your country. I'm very impressed with the Checkers collection. It's quite huge. I'm sure they're giving a lot of the regular bottle stores a run for the money with the amount of stock they have here. As you can see, this place is packed. Myself, I'm not really an alcohol person, but if you are, this place is definitely for you. This place is amazing. Wines, champagne, see the list of wines. Krispy Kreme. Some great donuts there. Yeah, as we head over to the bakery, check all the fresh bread, rolls, brown rolls, white rolls, cheese rolls. And let's head over to some fresh pies. They've got a variety here. They're a bit low on stock, still filling up. They've got steak pies, chicken pies, sausage rolls, loads of stuff here. Then some bakery, some muffins. Eclairs, chocolate eclairs, jam donuts, chocolate cake. This is my department, the sweet section. Plenty here. Can't forget the South African rusk. Lovely rusk. It's your tea. Some banana loaf. And frozen prawns, shrimps. And of course salmon. Love salmon. It's very tasty, but expensive. Some more fresh fish. As you can see, all the dishes ready for home. More frozen fish. And all the different margarines, butter, Flora. It's one of the brands we use at home. Flora. Different juices. Fresh milk, quite a variety. Yogurt. Escort products. Bacon, bologna, chicken roll, sausage. More yogurt. Checkers water. Only R1 a litre. We often use this like twice a week. We come fill up our 5 litre bottles, as you can see. Some more champagne, vegetarian products, fries, more pizzas and more pizzas. Frozen veg, a large variety here. A wimpy hash brown, oven chips, more oven chips, ice cream, the different brands, vanilla, chocolate, Magnums. It's very popular now. Air fryers. So we've got our own brand. Some red meats, mince, chops, steak. Chicken societies. It wouldn't be right if we didn't take one of these home with us. Truly South African. Oris. Chips. Loads of them. Crisp, I should say, or chips, as they say. Willards. Simba. Knickknacks. The party packs. All the different 5 in a packet there. Liquid fruit, fresh eggs. Some toys for the kids. Now we're going to take you over to the mainly chicken section. Running a bit low, stocking up for later. As I said, it's about 4 o'clock now. The aisles just go on and on. Cereals, Jungle Oats, Future Life, Kellogg's, biscuits. There in the background, Maury biscuits. More cereals, Nutrifix, Wheatbix, Pacoma, Cornflakes, Strawberry Pops, Cocoa Pops, coffees, Rick Coffee, Jacobs, Nescafe, as you can see, quite a variety here. If you look, it looks like I've got the whole shop to myself. Normally this place is packed. Cutlery, plates, pans, utensils. Some sugar. Some irons. For the baking, muffin mix, flour, different gravies, powders, soups. Now we're just going to take a spin around all the different aisles. There's just too many items to list. Charcoal for all the South Africans with their braais. All the different tins. Spices, beetroot, gherkins, sauces, mayonnaise, pasta, and check out all the Christmas decorations, getting ready for Christmas. Cleaning stuff, dog food, cat food. Thanks for joining us. Do feel free to hit the notification bell and let us know if you do your shopping here or are you doing it overseas. And how does this compare to the branches overseas? For myself, Graham at Moonoveraquarius, cheers.